What's up everybody, it's Josh here again. Today I got a quick little mod for you. They're LED tag lights. I got them on Amazon for $16.99 I believe. They're for my 2002 Toyota Tundra. I think it'll work on all first gen Tundras, but all you need to install them is a Phillips head screwdriver, and they fit perfectly for your OEM tag lights. Alright, so these are your factory tag lights. To remove them, all you gotta do is pull that Phillips head screw out right there. Alright, so once you take this screw out here, all you do is pull up on it and push it towards the front of the truck, and it comes out, and you get to this little spot right here where you have a bulb, and you turn the black part counterclockwise, and it'll click, and then it'll come off. And you can see the bulb right there. And you just pull the bulb straight out, you're done with it, you can throw it in there, throw it away. And then you've got your new tag light here, and it has this little thing right here that is about the same as the bulb, and it actually fits right up in there where the bulb went, and it doesn't matter which way you put it in there. They say it works both ways. So you just push it in, make sure it goes all the way, and then make sure the holes are lined up right. See these little bumps right here? There are bigger ones and there's smaller ones. You just got to make sure they line up inside the new housing. Click it in, and then stick the back side in first. Push it towards the back of the truck and it'll pop right in. And then you can put your screw back in. And that's one side down. Alright, so these are the tag lights installed when it gets dark. They're super bright, and the main reason I picked these is because of these red lines on them. I thought they looked cool. You can get the tag lights without them if you don't like those, but yeah, I'm satisfied with it. I 100% recommend them. Alright, so these are your new tag lights. They look really good. They're super bright compared to my old ones where one didn't even work. I'll drop a link in the description to where I got them from. And if you like this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Thanks.